Why is international IP enforcement so hard? Imagine trying to catch a thief who can vanish into a different country every time you get close. That's what protecting intellectual property across borders feels like. It's a puzzle with many missing pieces. Countries each have their own laws about patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets. What is protected in one country might not be in another. For example, patent laws in the United States are often clearer and stronger than in some developing nations. This means a patent granted in the United States might not be enforceable in another country where laws are weaker or less strict. Even when laws exist, enforcement can be inconsistent. Some countries lack the resources or political will to fight piracy and counterfeiting. Corruption can also make it easier for infringers to get away with theft. Online piracy and counterfeit goods crossing borders make enforcement even more complicated. Goods can be produced in one country, shipped through several others, and sold globally. Tracking and stopping these flows is a major challenge. Legal battles across different countries are expensive and slow. Each jurisdiction has its own legal procedures, language, and court systems. Navigating these can take years and cost thousands of dollars. Small businesses especially find it hard to defend their rights internationally because of these costs. Plus, digital content and software are easy to copy and share online. This makes protecting trade secrets and copyrighted material much harder. Digital goods can be duplicated instantly and distributed worldwide, outpacing traditional enforcement methods. Emerging markets also add to the difficulty. As these economies grow, they attract counterfeiters looking to exploit new consumer markets. Some of these countries have improved their IP laws, but enforcement remains weak. Businesses need to adapt their strategies to each local environment, which takes time and money. International agreements like the Agreement on Trade-Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights and organizations such as the World Intellectual Property Organization provide some help. But these agreements set minimum standards and relying on countries to enforce them. That means ongoing cooperation, capacity building, and political commitment are necessary. From a crisis management view, protecting intellectual property internationally demands careful planning. Companies must do thorough searches for their IP rights in each country. They need legal experts familiar with cross-border laws. Monitoring markets for infringement risks is essential. Building partnerships with local authorities and international organizations can strengthen enforcement efforts. Preparing for potential crises like online piracy or counterfeit outbreaks helps minimize damage to brand reputation and revenue. Addressing these challenges is key to maintaining organizational resilience and safeguarding valuable assets worldwide.